everyone. Welcome back to yet another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And we are looking at potentially increasing the federal tax credit. Yes, we're going to go from 26 to looks like back to 30. Not up to 30, back to 30%. Now that's fantastic. For those of you who don't know what that is, you must be living on a rock for the last dozen years or so, but I'll break it down for you. If you spend $10,000 on a solar array, depending on your tax appetite, what you make and earn and however you pay your taxes, and everybody's different. There's a lot of tax loopholes, a lot of people take a lot of tax advantages, and a lot of people pay a lot in taxes. But if you were to buy a $10,000 solar array, currently, you would be able to get a tax credit of $2,600 from the federal government. So it's pretty nice. This is going to go back to, as I alluded to, not up to 30%, which would mean you would get $3,000 for your tax credit instead of $2,600. Now, I say that because if you don't know how this works, you probably don't know that we were at one point and for a good while at 30% previously. So the fact that we're talking about potentially locking this in for up to another 10 years, that's huge. That is a massive springboard and a massive injection shot in the arm that the solar industry really doesn't even need, to be honest with you. I mean, it's crushing it. We're doing really, really well in the renewable energy space, but this is going to be a massive igniter in what's going to happen going forward. This makes lending more favorable. Banks are going to start looking solar as a more secure investment. This makes the John and Jane America out there looking at how maybe I'm going solar. This is an additional 4% basically off the cost, right? Depending on your tax situation. I would like to say on the record, the boring part. Here we go. Here's a disclaimer. I am not a CPA. I am not a tax expert. I don't play one on TV, and I don't do my own taxes, okay? So all that said, I am not a tax wizard, and I know very, very little about very little about something that's very huge in the tax code. So again, reach out to your tax professionals if you're thinking about going solar and ask them how this works. That said, thank you so much again for watching Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my incredible and passionate team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks.